Hey friends, it's Ashley here, and today I am sharing a cover page that I'm putting together for my 2015 Project Life album. I was inspired to get my cover page done from a challenge from Travel Scrap Repeat, Meg. She is a co-hostess in the In My Pocket Life Stories class over on Teresa Moxley's site. So we're talking all things covers this week. I have a blog post also on Teresa's site talking about past covers. So there you'll hear more about what my typical design formula is for cover pages, and I'm loosely applying that here. The products I'm working with came from the In My Pocket Life Stories collaborative kit and a kit called Everyday Life from the Practical Scrapper. She also designed cards for the Life Stories kit. So almost all of my cards were from designed by the Practical Scrapper. But I also did some hybrid stuff and played around with a couple of the cards. Right now I'm just going to lay everything out and figure out what I want things to look like. That 2015 card, the base is from the Practical Scrapper, and then the numbers are part of the die kit. Oh my goodness, the die cuts in the collab kit. The You and Me card is from Everyday Life, and then that other 3x4 is from the 12 by 12 paper pack from the Life Stories collab kit. Then that Here We Go card at the bottom for journaling is the one that I layered two different journaling cards on top of and then added a sticker from the collab kit to kind of make my own card that I really liked that incorporated all of the colors. My typical formula is two big 4x6s and then two 3x4s of me and my partner. We didn't have great pictures for 2015, and so also our family is growing, and my usual kind of layout and formula didn't quite work. So I picked a horribly colored photo of the two of us and turned it black and white, and then me and the growing baby belly and turned that black and white. So to put it all together, I lost my train of thought. So skipping ahead, the 3 to signify that we are growing into a family of 3. I made that little black arrow from a exclamation point from the same sticker kit as that 3. The hexagon is from the labels from the collab kit. And that card is done. I'm going to slide. I thought I was going to cover up that walkway sign, but I don't end up doing that, and I'm going to slide that into the pocket. That You and Me card, it has a flower die cut also from the Life Stories collab kit. And I play around with a couple different sized ones, but ultimately I chose that bigger one. And that is going into the pocket. I kind of picked my colors from, the collaborative kit really had a lot of the same colors as my photos anyways. Lots of blue this year for me, for 15 as a whole. But that pink, which is also in the skyline of that landscape picture, I pulled that in. There's also a little bit of yellow in there and like a greenish yellow from my jacket. So all these colors really worked well with the kit. I'm going to use that journaling card for a little bit of a where we are right now kind of intro to our year. I like using cover pages as kind of the starting point for my yearly albums. It is continuous documentation, but I still like to have kind of a flow of a story, and I feel like the cover page is the spot that kind of sets the tone Our 2015 story is about, me and my partner and growing our family. That was a huge part of 2015 for us, especially in January. So this is going to wrap up here, I believe. Yes, we're getting to the end. I'm going to add in all this journaling. At the end, you'll see some close-ups. I definitely encourage you to check out In My Pocket Life Stories if you're looking for inspiration and tips and tricks for telling your everyday stories, new ideas for your pocket albums. Also, grab this adorable kit and from the Life Stories collaborative team, as well as this like extra kit that coordinates with it from the Practical Scrapper. I'm going to probably be using Practical Scrapper products for my whole entire 2015 album. So I hope you enjoyed watching me put this together. Like, subscribe, comment, go check out the links, and check out a couple still photos. Have a great day.